Hello friends, welcome to our another effect lecture. Here in this lecture we are going to take a look at path offset option. This is the one. Let's see how we can use it. So first of all, let's create an ellipse. Yeah, this time let's create an ellipse. A circle. Let's provide a fill color, say this one. Let's make it this one. Yeah. Now let's go to effect, path, offset path. First of all, let's check the preview option. And you may think that the size of the circle got increased. Yes friend, because just take a look at this one. Don't bother about these two. uh, yeah, just this is what matters to us is offset 10 pixel. Okay, just increase its value and see the size of the circle is increasing. Decrease it and see the size of the circle is decreasing. Do you know that where you can use it? First of all, let's hit cancel. Make sure that this object is selected. Go to edit, copy or press Ctrl C. Now press Ctrl F or you can paste in front. Now remember, let's take a look at this layers panel. We have these two paths, right, which are having same size. Select the top one. Go to effect, path, offset path. Check the preview option. Let's reduce it to say minus, say 6 pixel. That's kind of fine. Let's click on OK. And now for the last one, let's have it no fill, I mean no stroke. And fill, for the fill, let's make it a gradient fill of linear. Yes. And you know what, the first one is white, that's fine, but this one, let's make it white also, but the opacity, let's make it 0%. Now here we are having the fun. Select the gradient tool. Let's draw a gradient like this, a very small. Hold the shift key and try to draw one and see. See, it's kind of a shining effect going on here, right? See, it's cool, right? Yes friend, you can use this offset for adding a shining effect to your object. And we are having few projects on this also, so don't worry. Try to practice with it and soon you will understand. Okay guys, so that's it. Yeah, in our additional project section also, I guess we are having a project on golden text, and there also we will implement this offset. I hope that you have liked this effect, I mean implementing this effect. So here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.